What's up, guys? It's Maddie from SC Wrap. We're here to show off this 2017 Civic Type R, show you exactly what we're going to be doing to it. So as you know, and the enthusiasts know, this thing is brand new, just came out, and this one we're going to be doing some really fun stuff too. So on this we're going to be doing full tint on all the windows, and then we're going to be wrapping it a satin yellow. And it's really cool because that's actually the traditional Type R color that they used to do. Then we're going to have Garage Works do some really fun lighting stuff for this too. So just stay tuned and look at the final product when we're done.
What's up, guys? My name is John, and as what Maddie was saying, that we're doing this Type R today. First off, we're going to be disassembling the whole car. Anything that is accessible to be taken apart will be taken apart. The reason why we do take apart this whole car is just so the wrap can look like one full-on paint job, and that way it looks nice and clean, and you'll never know if it was wrapped.
Don't be afraid, won't let you fall, girl.